Hey, what's up, Gray? A quick demo video for you for your Saberforge Bane. Just got this done today. I've had this for about a week or so. It's installed with a CFX that you wanted. I got all the sound fonts on here that you wanted. You wanted this Covertech put on, so that's on there for you. It is easy enough to swap sides if this is not the side that you want it on. I'm left-handed, but I put this on for a right-handed person, just assuming you're right-handed. You would just unscrew that and unscrew this bolt right here and just swap them out, right? So it's super simple to do. 2-button setup. So your front switch here is your activation. Your back is your auxiliary. You've got CC sabers in here for your lit PCB. So this is a Neopixel setup, but those LEDs on the PCB do light up. And then how to get to everything is you just want to unscrew the pommel. So we'll take this and make sure we don't drop it. There is a spacer in there that I glued in there and that stays in. That helps press up against your speaker. You've got a 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker here, and the Saber is super loud, right? But when you take the pommel off, just take the speaker, pull it out just like that. It's on a microDIN connector right there, and that lines up with the microDIN connector on here. And then you'll see that little locating peg right here on your speaker pod that lines up with that hole in your chassis right there. It's just to help you align the speaker when you push it in. And then that's what you've got. So you've got access to your micro USB and your SD card. You can pull it out with a pair of tweezers. And then, of course, you've got your microDIN connector over here for your speaker. And then right here is your recharge port. It's a static battery. So just come over here and pull that recharge port or the kill key out. You'll see your board flashing a little bit. That's a good sign. Of course, you won't hear anything, though, because we don't have a speaker in. Take your time, line it up. After you do this a few times, you'll get the feel of it. It'll go right in. And then go ahead and screw your pommel on. Go ahead and lock it down all the way. Once it's locked down, you can come over here and hit activation. Super loud. So your nice smooth swings working. Auxiliary over here. Got your LEDs in there, or if you hold it down for blade lockup. You do have your blade plug here that I'll make sure I put back in the Saber before I send it out, but you've got plenty of shine through. If you hit the auxiliary button and the Saber is off, it's your battery meter, and I'll show you that here in a second when I throw a blade in. But you can see the light up or the shine through on your blade plug. I would be careful on this though, it's a little bit tight. So you probably want to do a little bit of sanding on this guy before you put it all the way in, or you're going to have some issues trying to get it back out. Okay, we'll throw a blade in. It takes a 1-inch diameter Neopixel blade. And we'll lock it down. A good flash on flash. Blade lock up. Now if you want to change color when the Saber's on, just hold down aux and twist your wrist. Spectrum. You hear that. And you can cycle through any color you want for each of these sound fonts. So if we want a green, then hit power. Now when you turn this back on, you got a green blade. Just like that, right? And of course that works with every sound font. There's 9 of them on here that you sent me. To get to your next sound font, just hold down auxiliary.
Sound bank selection.
The Bane. And we can use either button to cycle up or down.
Count Dooku. General Krell.
We'll go back to this loop. You find one you like, just hold down power. Now, of course, this one is going to be a red blade, but we're going to want to change it to green, right?
Spectrum.
We'll find that green. Hit power. Now we got a green blade for the LS6. saber is super solid, so it can kind of take a beating. It's just gleaming out the back. We'll go another one.
Sound bank selection.
You certainly have a way with people.
So we'll change this one to blue.
Spectrum.
Now we got a blue blade. The battery meter that I was telling you about when the saber's off just hit aux. This is a fully charged battery, so your blade is showing up as all the way lit. And of course, if this was like a halfway charged battery, right, it'd be about halfway length on your blade. So that's what the aux is for.
Sound bank selection.
Second sister.
We'll go back to this. This is the Survivor Orange.
Spectrum.
To an orange. Now we got an orange blade for this guy. Just like that. Just like that. And then we will go ahead and take the blade out of here. I didn't go through all 9 sound fonts, but they're on here. We could cycle through them real quick.
Sound bank selection.
Second sister. Darth Maul. Ahsoka.
Audio player.
Now we're cycling back to the beginning.
SD card system menu. Exit menu.
Bane,
Dooku.
Dooku,
General Krill.
6,
Second sister.
7,
Darth Maul.
8,
Ahsoka.
and 9. Right.
Obi-Wan was right. You are difficult to kill.
Just like that. So we'll go ahead and we'll take the pommel off. CFX does have a deep sleep, but it's good just to put the kill key in. It's a good practice. I'll turn this on so you can see it's working. You can see it light up but no sound. And then I'll come over here and put the kill key in. And it cuts everything like it should. Yeah, so that is pretty much your Bane. Let me know if you got any questions. I appreciate your patience while I got this done. And if everything looks good to you, I will get this out in the mail to you. It'll probably be by Monday since it's already Friday afternoon. All right? Thanks.